Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on good study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 凌晨，凌晨，早上，早上，上午，上午，中午，中午，下午，下午，傍晚，傍晚，晚上，晚上，夜里，夜里，白天，白天，黑夜，黑夜，日出，日出，日落，日落，好，好，早上好，早上好，上午好，上午好，中午好，中午好，下午好，下午好，晚上好，晚上好，晚安，晚安，测验，这是 A 白天 B 黑夜 C 下午。这是 A 白天 B 凌晨 C 晚上。A 日落 B 上午 C 日出。A 晚安 B 中午好 C 晚上好。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。